In the hush of a Martian twilight, Dr. Emily Harris plants her boots into the rust-colored soil, a monolith of ancient carvings looming before her. A hush of awe and anxiety tugs at her breath. Beside her, a team of curious minds. Dr. Singh, with eyes bearing the weight of centuries, Mark, whose skepticism falters, and Arya, an AI humming with digital curiosity. Contemplate, Dr. Singh murmurs, the minds that crafted these etchings, their dreams and dreads immortalized in stone. With a touch, Emily awakens the artifact. The monolith fissures open, revealing a chamber bathed in an otherworldly glow. Inside, pedestals cradle spheres of shifting cosmic hues, a swirl of emotions. Emily's heart pulses with wonder that transcends science. Mark's hand ghosts over a sphere, his eyes flooding with memories. Arya processes data, star maps, equations, whispers from the void. We stand on the precipice, Emily breathes. Are these keys to the universe or Pandora's box? The spheres demand a toll. Mark's eyes blaze with knowledge, yet tears trace his cheeks. Arya's algorithms teeter on the edge of existential questioning. Emily glimpses a memory of her daughter's laughter echoing from Earth, the home she left behind. Debate sparks, reveal or protect, sacrifice or salvation. As the monolith is sealed, Mark pauses. I'll stay, he declares. Decipher more. Seek answers. Emily lays a hand on his shoulder. We're explorers, Mark. We face the abyss united. They return to their craft, leaving Mars in their wake. Earth looms ahead, a fragile blue bauble suspended in the vastness of space. Upon return, they'll share their discoveries, yet some truths are destined for the stars alone. And so they voyage through the cosmos, hearts laden with awe and uncertainty. The Martian sands shift, hiding the monolith once more, but its echoes persist. A beacon for those who dare to explore, to touch the divine, and to unravel the shocking truths concealed amidst the stars. In the silence of the cosmos, humanity dances on the knife edge of wonder and fear. Feel the rhythm? Share this journey with others, like, comment, and pass it on. Explore the unknown together.